Your practice activity and your assignment. It's very important that you indulge in this assignment. Actually, it's very nice. Now, you want to take this clip, it's number 4 in the timeline for me, and you want to color correct it and a bit of color grading to turn it from what it is, okay, that's how it is, to this one, the new one. Now, you're not going to get it at 100%, but you can try. And you can try to make it even better. I'll take you through the steps of what I have done. Maybe you can do even much better. I put them all off, put the first one on, that's the original one. In the first node or the second node, I color corrected over here. So I adjusted the whites and the blacks and balanced the colors. And notice I have a very bright area that later on I color corrected through a window, and you guess what kind of window is that. The next step was to use saturation and a bit of contrast to adjust a bit the colors. The last step, and the most interesting, I added a window to bring up this piece here, this piece of glass. If you play, you notice it's moving a bit, so there is no need of complicating with tracking or stories. You can just put a window over here and play with the gain and the lift, so you can get this kind of colors. This is before and this is after. It's nice to bring it up. Now I brought it up to be a bit dark. Maybe you can do much better. So this is your assignment, and please indulge in bringing the beautiful colors here, and maybe you can add more windows, work something out, make it beautiful. Go to your delivery page, render the video, just simply upload it to YouTube and post the link in the Q&A section of this course. I'll be very happy to see it, and I'll really be proud of your work. I will see you on YouTube with the color correction for this clip.